guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in something short like the word hi or yes, up to you what you want, and I'm also going to change the font as well. Then I'm going to select the glow, and you can choose any color that you want, of course. Cannot wait. There you go. I'm just going to select this like purple color, and I'm just going to adjust the intensity and the range as well. You don't have to, but I just choose to. Then what you're going to want to do is I'm going to select ratio, and then I'm going to select the 1:1 ratio, and then I'm just going to enlarge the text. Once you are done with that, you are pretty much going to right click, and then you're going to select create compound clip. Select animation and then select the combo one, and you're going to simply select the cube. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!